last hour. Tick tock. Who's left?
Logan in the chair, screens glow like a war room. Chief on patrol, eyes locked on the chart zoom. Momentum on deck, he don't chase, he provoke it. Break line, snap, see him smash that. Order loaded, red, green, flipping like a strobe in a dive ball. Spread so wide, you could drive a whole truck yard. He ride the rip, never scared of a sharp dip. Stops tucked tight, hands ready with the fast click. This that MRC candle, whole floor too hot to handle. Last hour, fuel in the tank, go. Let it melt, let it blast, let it rain. Whoa, 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 whoa. Power hour, rage in the system. If you blink, then you miss some. From the bell to the close on the clock face, we ride that end of day shockwave. Power hour, rage in the system. Power hour, blink, then you miss some. Power hour, rage in the system. We ride that end of day shockwave. Javi the maestro, fingers on fire, no rest. Scalps in the snap, every tick is a drum test. And then he gone like he vanished in a quick flash. 2, 3 points, then he goes with a clean stash. Buying that flush, selling rips on the rebound. Heartbeat sync to the tape and the feet sound. He served the chop, make it dance in a wild sway. Stacking up crumbs till the loaf hit a mile weight. Logan on the breakout, Avi on the fast blade. One swing, one slice, both wide for the last phase. Volume getting louder than the crowd at a cage fight. Clock screaming louder as we run to the late spike. Power hour, rage in the system. If you blink, then you miss some. From the bell to the close on the clock face, we ride that end of day shockwave. Power hour, rage in the system. Power hour, rage, then you miss some. Power hour, rage in the system. We ride that end of day shockwave.
T-5, breath on ice. Every tick now, loaded dice, loaded dice, loaded dice. T-2, orders hum, lines all meet. Here it come, here it come, here it come, here it come.
Final minute like a fuse that you can't stop. It stack high off a spore from the rooftop. Everything we built in the sweat of the day, either prints in a flash or it blows away. Power hour, power hour, power hour. Hey, hey. Power hour.
Hit the target, then another one. Stack the wins up, let the money run. Log in, whole dashboard, son. Green on green, yeah, the day just begun. Woke up, check the phones on the nightstand. 3 screens lit, all bands in the right hand. Blue line touched, and it ran to the sky. Profit tag, tag, tap. I was out before the spike dot. Wrist small, flip big, that's discipline. Same setup, different tickets, same listening. Multiple accounts, all glow, that's a light show. Screenshot, send it to the squad, told you I go. Profit target hit, hands up. All my payouts coming, that's us. Whole team green, we up. Yeah, we up. Yeah, we up, we up. Profit target hit, hands up. Let the broker send the love, that's trust. Whole chart screaming, that's love. Now that's grind, that's us. Closed out, now the vibe so different. Same charts used to turn my whole spirit. Took L's, wrote them down, had to learn that. Now I only chase plays I can earn back. Little pullback, then it ripped through the zone. My alert hit once, I was already home. Auto payout, on the way to the bank. Withdraw hit, now the balance giving bank. From the back, that's days, eating ramen at the desk. To the funded dashboards, blessings on refresh. Used to pray for one win, now they run in sets. Stack small dubs, turn them into big checks. Patient, patient, patient. Let the setup come, that's sacred. Same plan, new range, never fake it. Big win, same me, I just pace it. Profit target hit, hands up. All my payouts coming, that's us. Whole team green, we up. Yeah, we up. Yeah, we up. Profit target hit, hands up. Let the broker send the love, that's trust. Now that's grind, that's us.
You only call me when the candles shake, when the screen turns fever and the charts all break. You're in my veins now, every twitch, each tick, chasing every impulse. Yeah, you got me sick. I leave my fear at the login page, let you pull me into another wave. Heart rate racing like the price you raise. I'm begging you, don't ever stay the same. Volatility's my lover. When you move, I discover every spike, every shutter. That's the way we make it rain. You go wild, I get richer. Draw your curves on my fingers. Every swing cuts deeper, but I can't step away. You flip direction, like you change your name. You burn my balance, then you crown me king. You kiss my margin, and you bite my hand, but I keep returning for another dance. I let you drag me through heat and nights, chasing blessings in your rolling dice. Hurt me, thrill me, break me twice, as long as you keep naming my price. Volatility is my lover. When you move, I discover every spike, every shutter. That's the way we make it rain. You go wild, I get richer. Draw your curves on my fingers. Every swing cuts deeper, but I can't step away. Rise you up, rise you down, let you throw me around. Red or green on your skin, either way I give in. You're the chaos I trust. Turn my fear into lust. I don't pray to the trend, I just want you again.
Count it up. 1, 2. This the check they said I'd never see. Look at me now.
Yeah. Used to stare at that red screen, hands on my face. Every candle like a punch I could taste. Blown accounts every month on repeat. Screens glowing while my friends hit the street. Prop firm rules like a chain on my neck. Hit my target, then they pull one step. Daily loss, tap out, margin on the thread. Talking to the chart like it's all in my head. Greed said double up, fear said bail. Mind doing laps while the plan derail. Stop too tight, then it tags, then it runs. Felt like the market just laughed when I'm done. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you'll quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. First payout, but it's not my last. Turn that doubt to a victory lap. You said I can, now you watch me stack. Got one check, now I'm coming right back. They said get a real job, dreams too small. While I journaled every entry on my bedroom wall. Screens at dawn, eyes dry, but I stay back testing every scar from the trades I made. Psych on tilt, heart race when I click. Cut and win short, let the losers get thick. Talking to my shadow in the monitor glare. Stick to wrist, let the trend go where. Prop firm, email almost failed that phase. One pip shot, thought I lost those days, but I tightened my rules like my laces on the track. Came back, hit target, little green on the stack. First payout, but it's not my last. They say you quit, now I count this cash. They roll me off, I just wrote my plan. Now I'm up and I'm up again. I'm up again. It's for the nights when the spread felt cruel. Charts in my face like I'm back in school. It's for the cans that you threw in my ear. I took every word, turned it all into gear. This for the rules that were built like a cage. I learned every line, made them fuel my rage. This for the voice that said you'll just crash. I muted that sound when I saw that cash. Now it's payout day, screenshot in the mail. Bank app buzzing like I just made bail. I don't flex small wins, I respect that grind. Every digit on the screen took a piece of my mind, but I'm not done, it's the first brick laid. Whole new challenge every time I get paid. I run it back, same plan, more calm. Same firm, new face, same war, new bomb. They gon' say lucky, call it just a streak, but they ain't see the losses, I don't ever tweet. You doubt me once, I'll forget that fast. Doubt me twice, I'll just double this bag. Now I'm up and I'm up again. Heat of my do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Heat of my do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. They said life after death, they was never that close. Hit the wheel, love, I be in the back row. Then it flipped on his head, that's a fact though. 2 wheels to the chest, had a body on a gurney. Out from the crowd, make the whole place scurry. And I know they were worried, but it wasn't my time. Came back in a hurry. Life gave me a burden, burden in my trip, turned into a gift. Starting all over, I was starting to trip. Took a little chip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little tip, turned into a brick. Then I did again. Took a little trip, running shit, turned into a chip. We in and out quick. Am I echo? Heat of my echo. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Am I echo? Heat of my echo. Do a quick 5, 10, counting up on both hands, that's dinero. Big win in the morning, let's celebrate. Probably need a steak on the plate. A little wine, the white wine, the Sauvignon Blanc. New father, I'm doing
like shit. So many points today. I just got out of a 150-point trade on one micro.
I was telling my students, and I was like, "Is anybody rich yet?" Because at any point in time, let's do the intro. Sorry, let's get into it, Aniki.
An advisor-client relationship.
What up, Big Daddy Max? What you got?
What's up, Big Daddy?
Do the intro. Hold on.
All right. Welcome, everybody, to the Power Hour special featuring myself, Logan, the CSO, Javi the Maestro, and we've got Big Daddy Max on stage. It is January 21st, 2:46 p.m. We are trading the last hour of the market. Trump just announced he's probably going to take fucking Greenland, make it to 51st state. Market's going fucking insane. NQ's ripping up. Gold is dumping.
That's the pump? Did he really say that?
Yeah, he's negotiating. It's just going wild right now.
I love that. Fucking powerhouse. What's going on, everybody? What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, everybody? What's happening?
Aniki, whatever you made me do is giving an echo.
Me?
No, I apparently have an echo now since I started recording.
YouTube says there's an echo. If there's an echo, it's not on mine.
You have to put it behind, put it behind all your stuff. Like I have it on too on my chart, but I put it at the very bottom of the list. I don't know if that'll help or not, because I don't have the echo.
I don't got no echo.
I don't hear an echo, but the YouTube
No, that's something from Aniki.
Is there an echo for me too?
That's something Aniki got to fix.
Cool.
No, I'm on here for another awesome fun reason.
Box up there.
Just click buy on NQ, guys. It's going to fill all the way up till like 680. Just click buy. hold it and click buy. Not
I'm looking
financial
at
advice.
620.
You know what? I'm just going to do it now just because. And I'm just going to hold buy. And it's going to go all the way up to 680. And I'm going to do a...
Echo's gone. Hello, Echo's gone. You guys good? All right, here's the deal. What's up, everybody? I'm on the Power Hour with, of course, the host Logan and Javi. And Q's going fucking berserk. What I need from you guys, Discord and YouTube, I need your support in this because I need to test this. There was no better place. I didn't want to wait. We're gonna turn on text to talk on the YouTube for donations. I think we got it working. So yes, you can call me fat, you can call Logan gay, you can do whatever you want. I just want to see if it works. I'm really hyped about this, and all the donations are going to go to the staff, of course. It all goes to the staff, so there's a really good cause to talk shit to us. So if anyone wants to subscribe to the channel, become a member,
that 620 rejection?
pay the $2 membership fee or whatever. I would like to test the YouTube out at this time. So who knows? Whoever sends the funniest talk to text during Power Hour maybe gets a free account from Big Daddy Max. Maybe it's a 150K account. Who gives a fuck? Let's have some fun with it. All the donations go to the staff. But yeah, I want to test out and see if the YouTube has talk to text working appropriately, and if you degenerates say something funny, if it starts reading it aloud right here on the show. Now, Aniki, is it going to be on? We're going to hear it in the Discord, right? It should pop right up, or is it going to be on YouTube only?
I already got out of this. Is it everywhere? That was a fast 620 rejection, like lightning fast.
I'm excited to see. So here's the link, guys. How do we do it? You gotta send a dono. It should be YouTube. All right, so we're gonna see if it pops up on the YouTube, right, on the overlay on YouTube, to see what happens. So I'm excited. If anyone wants to subscribe, I don't even, if we see the subscriptions, here we go.
Hold on, I gotta do. How do I move?
I saw it pop up, but I didn't hear it. Did you guys hear it?
No.
Nope.
I didn't hear it either. I think Dan called Logan a closet liberal.
Closet liberal.
Takes one to know one.
Whew, all right.
He's not in a closet.
Here's 620. All right. This breaks over 40.
Told you guys, I'm just holding this long, by the way. I'm up $300 with 4 micros in this trade right now. Told you guys, just hold it.
Yeah. 643. After 643, if it can break that, 680 could be next.
I'm just holding it. It's going up to 680. I'm just holding this trade.
I quick scalped the rejection at 620, like quick 20 pointer. And that was it.
I'm trying to watch the stream, so it is live. I heard a noise for a split second. All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna back out of here, YouTube, and just see from there what transpires. So we shall see.
Clean saucebox rejection.
Boys, have an awesome show.
Appreciate you, Big Daddy Max.
We'll fucking see if we can get this working.
That was a clean saucebox rejection right there. Holy crap, clean. Oh shit. I'm up almost 500 on this account now. Oh shit. Yep. Okay, I'm out. It pulled up, but no, it kept going. I don't give a frick. Right into the freaking sauce box for that rejection. Hope the Maestro gang caught some of that. That was a clean, like, look at this. Clean sauce box rejection. I only played it with a couple micros because I didn't know if it was going to break through or not. But added another 100 something right there. Fast. Holy crapola. Wow. What a day. This box was from, when was this box from? The 14th. The 14th. So this thing needs to hold above 45.
My DCA added contracts. We're going up to 680 or 6. So what do I have here? Oh, Yeah, around 680.
Yeah, the next levels I have, if this does break over 645, is up there at 678, 680.
I trimmed one
685.
micro there.
And that's the next box that is from the 16th up there as well.
Ripping.
All right. All right, all right. Starting to struggle to stay above sauce box. Or like attached, get up there again. If it can't break back into the 620s, which is quite the move it needs to make now. And you see it start breaking all the way back up.
I'm gonna go till I'm gonna have my final PT at 670, and then I'm just gonna have a tight trail after that. So I'm looking for about I DCA'd twice. I'm in with 9 contracts now, so I'm looking for about a 80-point move.
Yeah. Yeah, it needs to start breaking back into the 620s for me to see it potentially coming back up. It could be setting up for a 3Z here on the 1.
Yeah, I'm not hearing anybody's text to speech.
Yeah, me neither. I don't know if like I have the volume off. No, I hear myself there.
I did have the volume off too, but
yeah, but like having the YouTube volume, like you're gonna hear yourself.
I'm
but
up
do you have to have it up for you
$500.
to see speech?
I got 8 micros left. Trimming a little bit there.
Oh, that was a clean 3Z too. So let's see if this can break back into the 620s.
670. Feeling it. 670.
Rejected. So far, first attempt doesn't mean it can't go for it again.
What news is at 227? Well, look at all the candles. It's Trump is negotiating. Trump is negotiating Greenland, and he also is just pushing tariffs.
It's not news, it's Trump. This is expected every day now. And for another couple years, another 3 years, unless he gets impeached. Anything can happen.
He's not going to get impeached.
I know, I doubt it too. But I've been seeing a lot of those signs out here. Like when me and my wife went to I forgot where we went yesterday. On the overpasses, impeach Trump all over the place over here.
Yeah, because you're in a liberal state.
Yeah, Maryland definitely is a liberal state. Very much so. All right. Can it rip through 620 now? I want to see it rip through 620.
Just holding this shit.
Really, it's really like just bouncing around 600 and 620-ish area right now. Looks like it's struggling to break under 600, so that's a good sign.
Got my auto trails rolling right now, and I just have to keep pulling them down because I think this is going to be a big trade. I'm just playing all the way until I'm basically playing the gap fill, guys, in case you're curious.
Oh, there's a bunch of them out there for sure. Right,
but I'm at $500 in profit, and we're ripping $600 in profit, $700 in profit.
There goes. I got some of that. Break up over 620. Quick 10-pointer right there. Let's see if this can keep going now. Want to see it hold over 620 now. That's a quick 13 points right there.
All right. I'm going to start to move all contracts into profit. I'm currently up $40 points in profit, up $700, $750. I'm going to move contracts into profit, move them up about, let's move them up to 6.0. I don't know. I kind of don't want to move them up because I want to get all the way up to 670.
Yeah.
$800 now in profit.
Ooh, there's his retesting 720. This has to close above there. Oof. Coming down hard. Let's see. Okay, good. That's good. That's a good sign. It closed slightly above. There it is. It ripped up.
Yeah,
I want to see it really start holding 620 though. Yeah, baby. Come on. I can't believe I'm already up 750 for power hour. Just scalped like 3 plays. It's kind of nuts, dude.
Yep.
This price action is nuts. I love it. All right.
This is like, this is stuff that we like. I mean, it's so
Yeah.
easy, trending, perfect quantum and pivot 100 trade setups.
Yep.
Pretty
It's as
easy.
clean as you can get. It's as clean
Yeah.
as you can get.
Yeah.
All
I've
right.
got
This
even
is
on high
good.
ATR. I'm usually not a huge fan of high ATR trading, but this is like smooth high ATR. It's just trend with just giant candles is what we're looking at right now.
Yep. Yeah, this is buttery smooth. All right, there's testing 620s again. It needs to break over that 645 and hold.
I just realized I'm
Make
going
it a
to
high, right?
absolutely breeze through the consistency on this 25K, most likely, but whatever. I'm confident we're going to get to 70, and it's going to be about a $1,500 trade with 8
Hell yeah.
micros.
All right, it keeps testing 620.
It's going to
It's like
rip
not
through there. It's going to rip up.
SPX. Ooh, SPX. Oh man, SPX formed a 5-minute level. Needs to get through over here. 904.99. There it goes. Okay, now hold above it. Needs to get up there and hold. Beautiful. All right, now in Q showing slight weakness, but let's see if it can catch up now. Let's see if it can rip through this 45 here.
Yep. 800.
Rip through
We're testing $900 in profit. Pop above that 642. We are at $900 in profit. I think it's gonna just rip through.
Yeah, that's what I want to see. I want to see one of those just like pow, another fuck you candle from earlier.
Yep.
Another
Just
one of
gonna
those
rock it up.
explosion candles that we saw earlier. Like today's been just so freaking clean.
Yeah, I made between this morning and last night, I $50,000 in my PAs.
Hell yeah.
Pretty nice day. Pretty big day for me. Actually, I didn't even realize that. Yeah, $50,000 on the PAs.
And that's with your new sizing and 50K accounts, right?
50K accounts, I made $50,000.
That's huge, dude. That's huge. That is
Yep.
huge.
I withdrew between last night and today $31,000 in the last
Hell
week.
yeah.
I've in payouts 31,000 in the last week.
Nice, man. Very
Yep,
nice.
yep.
All right, come on. Let's see this crush through 45. It's getting up there, keeps getting there, and then keeps pulling itself down. And you see it really start crushing through it, like really contesting it.
There we go. Pop,
Here we
pop,
go, here we
pop,
go.
pop, pop. $900,
All right,
$1,000 in profit.
there it
There we
goes.
go.
Yep,
There
I'm
we
getting one more
go.
out here.
There we go. Yep.
All
I'm gonna
right.
pull
Yep,
them.
I'm up 855 right now.
I'm gonna send
I
you guys
got
a little
one runner
screenshot
running.
here. I'm up. Yep, I'm up 1,000 with 8 micros left.
Hell
We're gonna
yeah,
keep going,
dude.
guys. I'm telling you guys, 670 is gonna be my major PT. Major PT there. But I'm moving all contracts into profit, moving everything up around 40 points. I'm just gonna start trimming here. So
Logan
there's
has
6
satisfied more men
micros.
for
I've
lunch
got
than Wendy's.
sorry, I trimmed 2 there. I've 3 there. I've got 5 micros left.
Wow, what a freaking pull down. Yeah, I got out one right at the top. My runner is about to get trailed out if it breaks under 620. My last runner is at break even. So 620 got tested immediately. And this could potentially form another. Oh man, the 5-minute is kind of setting up though. I'm gonna wait for it. All right, there, trailed out on my runner. Hell yeah, up almost still $800 for power hour. Fuck yeah. All right. Yep, it's setting up for some drop here. The 5 minutes
This
starts
might be
pulling.
the flip here.
Yeah, I kind of it failed to stay over saucebox. It did make a wick over it, but it did not hold. And it rejected hard. And that
You know
break under 620 was the go for a short. But I don't like to enter a trade immediately after entering such a nice little long.
I
But
still think we're gonna fill that gap. I'm gonna be honest with you. I still think we're gonna fill that gap.
it might go for those gaps below. Let's see what it looks like.
Yeah, I
This
think we're
5
still
minute
gonna.
needs to. If this pulls underneath 575, then there might be a bigger drop coming. But for now, the uptrend is still there. The uptrend is still there. Look, satisfied more men for lunch than Wendy's.
Test daddy, test daddy, test daddy, test daddy.
That's Bald Dan. Bald Dan put $2 just to say that. But I don't hear anything. Do you hear it? But I don't hear anything. Do you hear it?
Nope.
Does YouTube hear it? YouTube hears it. So do we have to have the volume up?
It's working on
we're
YouTube,
gonna-
but we can't hear it into the Discord.
Yeah, see, if I put the volume up, I hear all the echo. Yeah, see, if I put the volume up, I hear all the echo.
Yeah, because there's that delay. Yeah, because there's that delay. Yeah. I gotta turn it off.
Feedback. Yeah, I gotta turn it off too. The feed, I can't. I
Yeah.
try to see how much I can handle it. I'm like, no,
Uh,
no.
Everybody else is gonna start to hear it too. So
Test daddy, test daddy, test daddy, test daddy. I didn't hear when you posted that, Max, either. So it's like one of those. We got to figure out how we can hear it without having the volume full blast with everyone else. All right, back to 620.
I'm holding this long.
That's like that middle ground. It's filling in. There's a little bit of a retracement on that purple. Let's see how much of it can fill up. But this 5 minute, if this 5 minutes starts to keep closing underneath 620, that's what I'm eyeballing here. Yep, there goes. I'm just gonna scalp away the 620 a couple times here. And that's it. Yep. That's all it gave me. Just gave me about almost gave me 11 for my entry. But if this breaks under 610, this could be a failed bullish move here, which would not be good. It's testing it right here. Okay, it's trying to hold on to it. It's trying to hold on to that 610 right now. All right. There's a little bit of a break. I am now up $900 for Powwow. I got one runner just to see if this will hold underneath 910. If not, it'll take me back. It'll take me out on my runner at break even. Right. Didn't it? Let's see. Will you stay beneath now or nah? Struggling, struggling, struggling. Nope, 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 yep, nope, yep, nope, yep, nope. It's back and forth. That thing closed at 1075, so it did not fully break it.
I'm holding this long, guys.
It's holding on to 610 for dear life right now, but if it does give that up, there goes. Let's see, can it hold underneath? Oh, it has to hold underneath here. Nope, still testing it. Still testing it. I want to see this. What did this close at? No, this closed at 10. So this candle here, there goes. This candle here closes, then it might pull up to retest, or it'll just go here. But this candle has to close below it. We're at 607. All right, there's the closure. Let's see if it can hold underneath. Will this thing just drop now, or are we gonna get? What are we gonna get here? The 5 minutes setting up. I'm gonna hold on to this one micro for now. I am up 20 points on this runner. The Dom's going crazy down here, y'all. The Dom is going nuts down here at 600. Psychological level. So big time reaction on the Dom. It's holding on to 600. Breaks over 610. We're going to potentially re-enter the range it was trying to build up here. Struggling. All right, struggling to break over 610 again.
This is gonna be my TP.
Oh, there goes. Okay, I was up 30 points for a blink of an eye. There you go. Come on. I'm up 940 right now. I have my runner at 611 right now. If it pulls over 611, I'll be out gladly. And it's so close.
Are these Pivot Hunter charts from Logan? Yes.
Yes. Ooh. Okay, it edged me. It edged me, and it did not take me out. Wow. Okay, let's see. Can it still go or not? I mean, 30 points is still good. It's just one runner, though. So it's not like I'm going to give up that much.
JK, good
I just want
shit,
to see
dude.
if this thing can go. Go. Let's see if this thing can really start going or not. So far, it is
Logan
holding
and
under 610. I
Rafi
wanna see
sitting
this
in a
5-minute
tree.
really start
Arrive.
pulling under 600. We might have a good move coming here. Like if anybody caught that break of 610, you're floating on 15 points right now. I'm floating at 30 right now. Oh, 40 points. 40 points. Let's go. Who caught this? Who caught this with me? We're at 40 points right now. That was in Quantum Gang. I hope you saw that break of 510. We had the break and retest. Clean as day. Oh, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. I'm up. Okay, I'm out. I'm out here. I'm happy with that. Fuck yeah.
Why
Fuck
would I
yeah,
be mad?
guys.
Why would I be mad, baby Nip?
I can't be mad, dude.
Oh no, look at this guy's
We
picture. I'm not even gonna entertain somebody who
yeah, dude.
dressed like
What?
he's 16. Never mind.
Let's go, guys. Quantum, easy failed bullish move there. I hope you guys saw that. Let me put that little line right there. Right there. That candle right there gave out. There's your retap for the YouTube gang. I know Quantum sees it. Yeah, what a play. 610. If you guys got in at 610, that was still smooth. Nice play. It's still uptrending on the 5. It's still uptrending on the 5. So I scalp. So who said what? You're mad because of what? Because I
No,
favored
he was just no, because it dropped. He was just saying because it dropped. I'm still in the
dude.
long. I'm up 20 points from my entry still.
Yeah, I mean, guys, like this is trading. There's people going long and short, and there's some people doing what are those iron condors and shit? It's trading. It's a part of it. We know, like Logan's up freaking 50K. What does he care over one play?
I haven't gotten out of it. I'm still in it. I'm up $500.
Yeah, he's still in it too. He's still up. He's still up. I'm up. I'm doing my thing.
Here's a screenshot, guys. And yes, this is an eval. And yes, I have $50,000 in funded today.
All right, rejected.
Got my first payout on Apex today and qualified for payouts on Alpha and Tradeify. Rob,
let's go.
Dude, let's fucking go.
Let's go, Rob. Way to go, man. Congratulations, Rob. No, you've been working hard on it, brother. Keep it up. Keep it up, man.
I just hit I hit Lucid. Tonight I'm gonna make the withdrawal. You guys will see it. Max allocation, max payout, $15,000 on Lucid alone.
All right. The 5-minute is still setting up for back over 610. This needs to start breaking back over 610. SPX has a little gap above, but right now 610 is a major resistance point. Oh yeah, okay. I already hit consistency on this account. I can no longer trade this account. Let me go see if I have anything else I can touch. I haven't hit consistency on that one. I guess I can still trade these. Oh yeah, here we go. All right. Very nice.
What's your thoughts on Dark Sport? I stopped buying it because it had bad quality and the design started to suck. I like Dark Sport a lot, and I like Civil Regime. If you notice, 99% of my clothes, gym clothes, my oversized tees are all Dark Sport and Civil Regime. I like the comic book stuff and the super, like the like whatever else, like the anime stuff that they have. It is hit or miss on quality on some of their stuff. Some of it's like really good quality, and then some of it is ass quality. I agree with you. I still like it though. I still cop a lot. Most of my wardrobe is literally gym clothes from Dark Sport and Silver Regime. It's all oversized shit, stuff that fits me.
Dark Sports.
How many Lucid accounts is that? I have 5 50K accounts. Hit payout with only trading while power. Thanks, guys, for all you do.
Let's go, brother. Congrats. No, very nice job. I'm looking for some sort of pull down incoming here. If this does break underneath 70, we might start seeing some push, but the 5-minute is setting up here. But this needs to start breaking under 70 next. Right now, this could be a little bit of a range spot.
How much do you size on your 50Ks? It's personal preference and has to do with sauce, being honest with you. What's wrong with how I'm being dressed? I was just talking shit, dude. I was just talking shit. I can't really see your picture. I was just talking shit. You probably dress better than I do. I'm going to be honest with you. I wear the same. I wear gym clothes or I wear jeans and a V-neck if I go out. I have no.
I dress like I'm homeless.
Unless I wear like, I have like dress clothes that are like custom made and they're really nice and expensive, but I have like fucking 2 outfits. So besides that, I wear nothing but sweatpants. You guys see me. I wear tank tops and sweatpants all the time. Anywhere I go, anywhere. And then if I go out, jeans and a V-neck. That's it. So you probably dress better than I do, brother. I was just fucking with you. You need muscles for V-necks. Correct. I mean, all my clothes are form-fitted.
Maestro has that Adam Sandler swag. Well, I mean, yeah, I guess I do. He wears them basketball shorts though. I don't like those kind of shorts. I'm not a big fan of those shorts. But yeah, like pretty much right on the money there. Whoa, these moves are freaking wild, dude. It keeps rejecting. It's literally right now the range is 610 and this 570 potential area. There's another purple candle. So yeah, 607, 608. This thing is going nuts right now. The Dom just literally like it looked like the Dom flooded. It just went real.
I have some Henleys, Fat TGR. I have a couple of Henleys also, actually. Henleys are nice too because they're like casual and nice at the same time. I have those as well. Got short sleeve and long sleeve, though. I don't really like wearing long sleeve anymore because I live in South Florida.
South Florida. Back and forth. Power hour range. A 5 minute setting up for a pull down. This is setting up for a pull down. How violent's gonna be is the question with these kind of moves. Like could have kept scalping that 600, and if it broke 610, could have gotten out of it. There goes some more, just a little bit more. Dom's going crazy down here. Dom's going buck wild down here. Five-minute is setting up. Needs to stay underneath. That's 610 still. If it does decide to go up and test it again. I mean,
your finger's getting tired from scalping. Long sleeve Henleys are the cheat code.
Oh, there goes.
Yeah. Henleys are nice. Every man needs a pair of what? Dress shoes? I'm pretty sure I have those dress shoes.
This is a fresh account that I just put up. Oh my gosh, this thing is going down hard. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I just added 400 on this account. This is a fresh account I just loaded up for right now. Oh man, this price action's too much fun. Oh god. Why can't it be like this for Power Hour every freaking day? All right, almost a repeat of what we saw earlier. If it cannot break back over 70,
do you depend on mouse or keyboard? I've never used my keyboard once ever trading.
Let's see, can it break back over 70 here? Holding below 70 now. But can it keep going? That is the question. Coming for Logan size payouts. You got it, Summer. Oh, there goes. Keep going, keep going. There's 10 points for Quantum Gang if they got in on that retest at 72. The stop
Good job,
on this, break back up over 70.
What prop is most similar to TPT? I would probably say Tradeify dailies.
Go.
Tradeify dailies. Oh, this is showing up for a pivot hunter short.
I'm floating at 40 points right now on my runners, but I'm looking if this breaks back over 70, it might not be going down anymore. It might just start retesting the range. Okay, and there it goes. Trying to see if it holds in there. It's got 14 seconds left for this candle. Nope, projecting it again. That 5 minutes about to lock in 2 minutes too. The 5 minute is about to lock in. I am floating up 40-ish points right now. 40 points on the short from 601. I got 1 micro running.
Hunter is saying if it gets under 250 to go short.
Let's see. I don't have anything else on here. Yeah, there's a lot of room down right
800 is max you can make per day on the selects 50s, right? On the eval, it's 1200, 40%. But on the funded, it's as much as you want.
Go.
I'm gonna have to go
50
short
points.
here.
We got 50 points.
Oh
my God.
Under 249 with volume. I'm gonna have to go short to cancel my trade.
So just another day in the office, y'all. Oh, he's still going. Oh my God.
Oh,
I'm up $100 on this show now. Another one.
All right, I gotta go short here. I'm changing positions.
60 points. 60 points. Oh my God. Oh my God, y'all. 60, almost 70 points. Can we keep going? There was a 5 minute setup, right? This is what I was looking at, y'all. It appeared.
I've learned from fading myself. I'm not fading myself ever again. So pivot 100 presented, I'm taking it. I'm not fading myself anymore.
There's the purple baby. That's what I was looking for. The 5 minute was setting up. Quantum Gang, look at that clean. Oh God, here for the Quantum Gang. I know they know this. We went over this we caught that 300 point short off of these exact same setups during our session today. The exact same setups. You guys are seeing it repeating itself again and again and again and again. Oh, love this shit, man. It's so buttery smooth. All right. Go. There's some gaps for the SPX to fill. All right. It's about to trail me out. If it breaks back over 70, it'll take my runner out. He was gonna say like Fluffy the comedian. You mean Gabriel Iglesias? Mr. Fluffy himself. You know, when I go with the goatee face, when I do the goatee look, I get told I look a lot like Fluffy. Even in
that shit wicked me out. Fuck.
It wicked you out. I'm still in it. In Utah, a lot of people thought I was Fluffy.
And
I'm like, no. I'm still up. The same 60 points right now. Up the same 60 points. Still holding that freaking runner. Want to see how far this thing can go because there is a lot of room down. But again, want to see how far this thing can go. How low can you go? Want to see if this 5 minute will break through 530 next. If it can break through 530, oh yeah. Then we could see 500. Here we go. Up almost 70 points.
Oh, if I give it a little bit room to breathe, it would have been good. There's
70 points. It was right there. Almost. I saw it for like a second. I didn't see it. There's 70 points. By a point, I did 70 points. There you go. It's Kudama. Let's freaking go. I have the same body type as Fluffy. Like literally, his body type is the exact same body type as me. Like the exact same.
Who?
Fluffy, Gabriel Iglesias. Like, if you put me and him next to each other and like put a bag over our heads, I have the exact same body type as he does. Like to the T. Melted ice cream, got that like curvature in our back, like everything. I think I have bigger man boobs than him though. I think I have bigger man boobs. Is that a flex? That might be a flex. It's like I got bigger man boobs than you, Fluffy. All right, all right, all right. Let's see. Can this thing keep going now? Still floating. I'm still up almost 70 points. 70 points on that 31. I want to see more. Oh, there we go. Oh shit, guys. And God, 80 points. Is anybody still holding this with? Did anybody enter this with me and is still holding this with me? Like, who is 80 points? There's 80 points. Holy shit, y'all.
What do I think about Retta? I don't believe there's not enough studies to justify or back up the SARMs and everything.
Let's
The
go,
peptides.
Young.
People are taking all these SARMs and peptides, but there hasn't been enough studies to conclude whether or not they're legitimate or not. I just take the real shit that's been tested and studied for 50 years now.
Setting up for a
They
pull-up
work.
here.
I'm not saying they don't work. I'm just saying we don't know about the side effects. Same thing with
trailing
Ozempic.
at 50.
Ozempic is fucking killing people. People are just taking it because it works right now.
That's true. I agree with you. If it breaks over 50, it'll take out my runner. I don't care. That's very true because here's the thing with those weight loss drugs, right? They're very recent. They don't have enough history of testing it to get real good data over the long-term side effects. So like that's the one thing that always kind of like veered me off of those kind of drugs. Is like I tried what was that one? My wife knows which one it's called. I tried one and it sent me to the hospital. I thought I was having a freaking heart attack and it dropped my blood sugar so low and it stayed like that for like 4 hours. They gave me apple juice and candy to try to get the blood sugar up. It didn't go up at all for like 2 hours.
But
And I stopped taking that shit.
Retta and Ozempic, all that shit is the same. All it does is it makes you not want to eat, which
Zepbound.
I never want that. I want to be able to eat. I'm fucking it. Everybody's gonna fucking disagree.
Take me out.
It is very, very easy to lose weight. It's very, very easy to lose weight.
Yeah.
It's very easy to
Lose
cut.
weight,
It's
exercise.
very, very fucking hard to build lean muscle mass. And if you want to lose weight faster, you need to build lean muscle mass, which means what? You need to eat fucking a lot of protein. But a lot of people don't think that. A lot of people just take these unhealthy fucking routes where they just starve themselves. And then they're like, oh, look, I've lost weight. It's like, yeah, dude, but you have no muscle mass and your body will still die probably just as fast as if you were obese or if you were super anorexic skinny. But a lot of people don't fucking realize that. Fasting is not good. Everybody thinks fasting is good. Fasting also is not good because you're starving yourself or you're just loading the calories up later on that you would have had. Nobody does anything fucking correctly. What do? I eat healthy. I work out. That's it. And I take a hormone that's already in my body, which is TRT, and that's it.
A couple circle jerks a day takes the calories away. You guys are sick.
Fasting, that's fine. You can look it up. Fasting there's no proven studies to justify, and you'd be like autophagy and this and this. No, there's no.
I want to get 100 points. I haven't gotten trailed out yet. I want to see if this thing will get us 100 points right now. I do have room, but again, right? It's
you lost 70 pounds, correct. I'm not saying you can't lose weight, but it's not a healthy approach because you are burning. Everybody fails to understand. No, if you're skinny and you have no muscle on your body, you are unhealthy. Do you know that models are, if you were to test their BMI, models are considered morbidly obese? Why? Because they have a lot more fat and skin and bone on their body and no actual muscle. Guess what? They are just as susceptible to cardiovascular diseases, which, by the way, in case you didn't know, heart disease and cardiovascular diseases are the #1 leading death in the United States. Don't think just because you're not fat that you can't die of those diseases. How do I know this stuff? Because I've been certified on all this shit.
Dump. Keep dumping. Oh my God. I saw 75 points for a brief second there at 15. My runner has not been trailed out. I'm up 153 on this one micro right now. This is nuts. So I'm up like almost 1,300 on Power Hour so far. There we go. There we go. There's 75. There's, what is that? 70, 76 points, something like that. This is nuts, man. There we go. Come on, give us 90 points next. Get to 11. Come on, it's almost there. I want to get this 100-point trade with everyone. The Power Hour is nuts. There we go. There's 90. There's 90. Oh, there was that it. Did it hit? Did it hit 501? 503. Son of a bitch. My 3 points. Whatever. I'm still happy. 100-point trade, y'all. Ding 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 ding. 90, technically 97. 97. It's technically 97. All right. Almost 200 on this freaking micro, which is ridiculous.
No, nobody ever fucking. A lot of people. Everybody has their own personal opinion. Every doctor. Everybody believes what they don't want to believe. I was in the best shape of my entire life when I was in Afghanistan. I didn't have any crazy meal plans. I didn't have any vitamins. I didn't take any supplements or crazy steroids and all this shit.
100-point trade for Power Hour.
Because I calculated my macros and that's it. And then worked out. I didn't have a good gym. I didn't have a good cafeteria. I just calculated my protein, carbs, and fats. That's it. This is dumping.
100-point trade plus for Power Hour. I gotta. Oh, dude, this is nuts. That's my biggest trade for Power Hour ever. Ever. Oh my God, do I want to keep holding this? I'm gonna trail it from 510. I'm freaking happy with that shit. Fuck yeah. Whatever it takes me out now, it takes me out. I don't give a damn. 100-point trade. Let's go. Okay, I'm pumped right now, guys. So pumped right now. 110 points right there. 110 points right there. 109 technically.
Why is there a signal here?
There you go. 110 points. I'm ready to walk away into the sunset now. Fuck MOC. Screw this 330 volume. Oh, baby. Oh, my God. It's still going. 120 points coming in, guys. 120 points coming in. There it is. Holy shit. 120 points. Let's fucking go. Let's go. What a trade. Almost coming into 130. Almost coming into 130. I came in with a $200 $300 micro trade in the beginning of Power Hour. And now I'm at oh, dude. All right, look at this, guys. Look at how this played out. When I was saying the 5-minute was setting up, let me see. How can I show it off to YouTube, gang? I don't know how.
This is a nice pivot hunter short too. If you guys got into the short late,
yeah, I'm still in it. My runner is still running, dude. This is nuts. I'm up 130 points right now. 130 points. Dumping. There is the setup on the 5. Clean. Freaking entry from 601. 140 coming in. 140 points coming in. Ooh, right there.
Hold the short, guys. Hold the
140 points, baby. Oh, there it is. 140 points.
I go all the way down to at least 420. Just hold the short. I'm in the short heavy. Hold the short. I'm in heavy with Avi. Hold it.
That's fucking go, guys. Holy shit. I feel like freaking let's freaking go.
Hold it.
150 coming in. 150 points coming in.
Hold it.
150 points.
Hold it. Yep. I got in crazy late and I'm still up 40, 50 points.
Let's go. Oh my God. It's my biggest trade on. Wow.
And,
oh, man. All right. I'm going to get trailed out if it pops over 460 here.
Yeah. I got 462. Wow. 463 is my stop losses.
Oh.
And I'm out.
There. I'm out.
Good trade.
2026.
Solid trade.
Gonna grab you by the throat. You're gonna be my bitch. You heard me? You heard me? Wow. All right. Wow. I think I know what Max meant about these big trades, and then you want to jerk your chicken afterwards. I get it now. That's my way. I feel that, like, I really feel that, like, wow.
I haven't even been reading YouTube. Logan, are you down? No, I am up $800 right now.
All right, guys. On YouTube, because you guys can see my chart, I'm gonna break this whole trade down for y'all. Okay, the quantum setups presented themselves from up here at 610. The break of that, and quantum gang, I know if you guys have quantum, you guys are gonna track this along and see the exact same thing I see. Blue candle, bullish, right? I'm an idiot. All right, I don't understand ICT terms. I don't understand liquidity zones and all that bullshit, right? Blue candle, bullish candle, blue candle break, blue candle fail, bullish candle fail, down, break down. Then
How do you know you're not sharing
again,
charts, right? Or I guess
nope.
on YouTube.
This
you
is
are.
for YouTube. This is for
Yeah.
YouTube. Then new blue candle, bullish candle form, cannot break, old candle break. Bearish candle come in, say, haha, you bulls can suck it. One bear candle, two bullish candles. One bear candle says, fuck you guys. Comes down. Guess what? Breaks the bull candles again. Ha ha ha. Break, cannot come back up. Thumpathon. See?
Just hold my futon
Magic.
so I can get Pivot Hunter for a week. That's crazy.
Magic.
I hate it. My ATM setting took me out after it ripped back, and I never jumped back in. Sounds like you got shitty ATM settings, my boy. Sounds like you don't got good ATM settings. I do. My shit just sat there. I just watched it
like,
trail the whole way
right?
down.
Now it's stuck between these two levels, 510, 67, right? That says buy, but it's not good until it breaks that 67 and holds. So I'm expecting this to start ranging. And if this is another potential failed bullish move, if the downtrend is going to continue.
I'm a little annoyed we didn't fill that gap, though. I did want that gap filled, but
it got really close.
yeah, we're green. Well, I mean, I cashed out a little bit. I was trimming as it was going up, and then I just waited to get in on that short with my jumping after you.
Yeah, like you know, like, oh, there's a 3Z break of the level potential. 510 here needs to break and hold. I've been thinking about this ever since I started doing the presentation. I feel like I need to come up with my own ICT terms for quantum. Like, I need to be that douchebag and just be like and so it has to sound fancy, right? Because ICT is about sounding fancy, even though it's a bunch of bullshit. And I'm gonna get hate for this. The inverse of the triverse of the Tri-Wizard tournament, the cupper and the handle. The encroachment of the crouch and the couchy couch. My crotch is encroaching on this inverse turtleneck. Something like that, right? It's got to sound something like that. That's what I'm thinking. It's like, they're like, please don't. YouTube is like, please don't. Because I mean, like, I gotta come up with better terms than sauce box. Like, Javi sauce box. And you guys all seen my sauce box, so you know, it's like, I don't know if that's fitting anymore. Like, I don't know if that's fitting anymore. Like, my sauce box is out on the internet for the world to see forever and ever and ever. And am I a fan of that? No, I hate it. But whatever, it's out there, so I gotta accept it. It's the same thing, Techno. It's the same thing. Rain's dad, you're making me want to talk about my crotch even more now. When someone tells me not to do something, it makes me want to do it like 1,000 times more. Like, you don't understand that about me. You're gonna learn. All right. It's like, don't do it. Oh, I gotta do it now. I have to do it now. Like, it's like instant. My body reacts to, I gotta do it now. And then I have to talk myself out of it. Oh man. Wow. I'm exhausted. Why am I exhausted after that huge trade? Quit showing your box. Hey, Ken, I had no choice. Okay. I had no choice. I had to for the success, right? The what do you call it? I already forgot what it's called, so I'm not good at name. I'm not good at that. I already failed the Illuminati. The humiliation ritual. That's what it's called. The humiliation ritual. Look at that. Rejecting 510 now. 510, it cannot break. No move.
Hobby, YouTube wants you to explain your strategy a little bit. Logan, do you ever share your ATM settings? No. But Hobby, they want you to explain your strategy a little bit.
Okay. Yeah, absolutely, man. All right, let's go. Let's see. All right. So my strat's simple. What quantum is very, very, very strategically placed levels and the candles, the bullish and bearish candles. So you have the purple candles, and quantum gang can change it to whatever color they want. Obviously, on my chart, they're pink. If you want to call them pink, people have been calling them pink. I think they are more pink than purple. The pink candles are my bearish candles. The blue candles are the bullish candles, right? Those are the only candles I care about. The only other candles I care about is these when they break those candles, just like we saw here in two examples. So the two quantum candles that you see, that's all I look at. And then you have the levels. The action lines are like EMAs. These are not your typical EMAs. They have no value like an EMA does, but I treat them the exact same. Crossovers, everything, right? The levels are created by the crossovers. So a little, like, you guys can learn all this on my YouTube channel as well. So the crossovers create the levels. When they are attached to a quantum level, a quantum candle, they give those areas strength, right? This one occurred on the bottom side, slightly risky. Why? Because if it comes down to the bottom of this candle, then it's going to potentially have a chance to break it. So I don't want that. So that's why I'm cautious with these big boys, right? So when I see this over here, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, right? This little bullish candle broke, came down, formed two more, little bearish candle. Then what happened when it broke? Came down, right? Nice areas to keep an eye for. Let's go down here, right? Crossovers attached to our candles give us those buy and sell signals. There's your buy, your sell, right? This level right here was an area of interest. That candle, that little red line you see right there, that's your stop loss. That's how I know where my stop losses is, where I say my stop losses are going to be on these particular setups. Level holds, right? This broke, and this is the tip game rule, broke by the tippy tip. I don't count that. Next candle pulls up, level still good. Then you see the explosion that occurred. I don't know what caused that. I was actually in this. I rolled that thing up for like 300 some bucks. Okay. And there's a level below. You see the level on top of orb. So now the orb, it looks stronger to me. Level on top of orb. And you see the levels, right? Creation of the level, respect of the level. Creation of a new level, respect of the new level. Simple. When you get to really look at what you see here, and and when you first see it, I understand it seems like a lot, but when I explain it, I only look at the candles. That's it. I only look at the quantum candles, the levels, and then I wait for my reactions, and then everything else flows. And it's very repetitive. The setups do not change. Go look at all my YouTube content. The setups are the exact same. I've traded the exact same system for more than a year and a half. I think it's been a year and more than a year and a half now. Why I'm so consistent is because I do the same thing over and over and over again. All right. Hopefully that helped a little bit because I don't have bias. I don't come in looking at where the previous day high is or the, previous inverse candle of this or blah, blah, blah. I don't look at none of that. I only look at this. That's it. And I obviously have sauce box as well. Love my sauce box. So my shit is unique. It's very unique. You're not going to find anything like this out there. Like there's absolutely nothing like this out there. Amen. A little lesson. Oh man. Sauce box. I have two kinds of sauce box. They're talent. So, depends on which one you want to know about. One involves trading. The other one involves a different kind of trade that only my wife gets to, indulge in. No, it's an area of interest. It's an area of interest. That's all it is. It's an area of interest that I keep track. My students know what it is. It's something I teach. Oh man. All right, all right. MOC isn't. Wow, we're almost already at MOC. Oh, I love pay to play. I love me my llama. Llama's the only other one that if he wants to, I may let him know about the sauce box. Okay. He's the only other person. That's two. And we're ranging. Look at that, right between the levels. What did I say, right? If you can't break 510, got nowhere to go, it's ranging. Little failed bullish move here already. Needs to break underneath 465 if it wants to do another one. Whew, man, I'm exhausted. That was a freaking huge ass trade, guys. They are both areas of interest. You're right. You're right, Bax. They are both areas of interest for me.
What are the names of the indicators you have on? We have the quantum indicator and the pivot pro indicator.
Yeah. You call it the
What is
golden
the sauce
box?
box? How would you explain that? Logan, do you have a Tradeify account? If I
Just
recall,
did
you
it.
said you have a growth account. If yes, how? No, I have 5 flex accounts. I actually just withdrew like 7K from them last night
Nope.
from my Tradeify accounts.
Talent.
I just posted on my social media the withdrawals. 4 Tradeify accounts. I actually fucking accidentally cooked one trying to trade on my phone, but I still withdrew 1.5K, 2K each, something like that
Hell
on
yeah.
each account.
Talent's trying to guess the box is basically a range within the box. Use the 1 hour candle. Not even close. Not even close. Look, I don't even think I have them all on right now. But look at this. I have a lot of old boxes too. Like,
Just use the 1 hour
right,
candles.
my
Dude,
students know the list. My
which
students know the
course
list of
is the
this.
best to start with? It's all personal preference and your trading style.
Look at this one, right? Look at this. That's why I love the sauce box. Look at this.
I'm
Box
about to go long.
reaction.
I'm about to go long here on gold.
Sauce box reaction. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Wait. Not yet.
Sauce box
Not
reaction.
yet.
Okay, I gotta stop going nuts. Saw a little preview there. The Slethbacks. Oh, I have sauce boxes on gold. They're just a little different. And silver. And silver. I think I've been eating on silver so much. Still ranging. Still ranging. 345. So about 4 minutes for MOC. Stuck in between two levels. So we have 2 gauge points for MOC. 510 and 467.
No gold trade. Just for
Thank you, brother. Can't we have a mini power hour? What would a mini power hour be? Like we need coach in here? Would that justify a mini power hour? I love you, coach, by the way. I would so buy that coach plushie, like 1,000 of them. Coach, put them up for sale.
what are those lines? The red and green. Javi? I don't think Javi has it.
what?
I think that's mine. I think the red and green lines are my.
No, those red and green are yours. I don't have any.
You're talking
red
about
and green.
mine. And the red and green lines are pivot lines. I look for a break, continuation, past a blue dotted line as an entry point, and shoot for about an ATR amount of a trade.
Cam, are you taller than coach? I'm about Danny DeVito size in shape, but I'm I'm not short.
I think Javi's width is the equivalent of coach's height, I think.
Yeah, exactly. It's a good way to put it. Yes. Yeah. yeah. Coach can like lay sideways and he'll like fill me in perfectly.
Right.
Yeah. Oh, learning to trade's another one. Learning, God, keep killing it, girl. Requesting another trader fight today. So with I've requested a payout each of my 5 accounts. Let's go. You just needed that little tiny nudge, but that's all you learning. That's all you. Congratulations. Get paid, girl. Go enjoy yourself. Go treat yourself. Go get a massage. Go do whatever you want to do. Like go enjoy yourself. That's so amazing. AO pause. Oh, because the coach could fit on me. I could put him on like a belt. Probably. Kind of like a belt. Might need like an extension.
On the gold, do you use Pivot Hunter Blue Line on 1 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute? Depends. Most of the time would be the 1 minute. Occasionally I go to different time frames. Mostly the 1 minute though. Do I not have it? It should say on my fucking chart 1 minute. Yeah, it says 1 minute.
These guys talking about 1 hour candles, man. 1 hour candles can be so tricky just because the drawdown potential involved in playing higher time frames has to be there. But hey, everyone has setups, you know. I always like I was talking to Logan about this yesterday, but let's wait for MLC about like other traders hating on traders. Like if your shit works, good for you, man. Like I'm always gonna celebrate you. Like if your shit's working, do what you do. Like don't need to change it. But I don't like the higher time frame risk involvement. All right, MOC in 1 minute. So right now, 67, 510. We're slap dab in the middle. So this is gonna definitely potentially give a push. Potentially. Because it always starts with the push to test that 510. If it's like yesterday where it did absolutely nothing, it'll probably like slowly test it and then do nothing. Yesterday did nothing with all that movement that was happening yesterday. MOC did jack. So let's see what it does right here. 30 seconds. So 510, 467 are the two areas I'm looking at. 510 and 467. We're right in the middle of both.
Haven't been able to catch all the lives of the class, but I've rewatched them and killing it since getting into the course. Past 2 one-day evals today. Good work, Tiny T. Good work.
All right. Look at that. 7 seconds. It's looking like
I tried to join X Trade, but it wouldn't let me sign into my free account. Now I'm with Trade the Pool. I don't know
All
what
right.
that is.
Here's the
Nobody
break.
has any idea what you're talking about.
67 breaking. Now it needs to hold underneath 67. There goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. There goes. I'm in it. I'm in it. 150 bucks. 130. And I'm out majority of it. There goes. I only got 2 micros running now. I got 2 micros running now. Now this it could pull up and retest it, but that was simple, right? This is why I wait. That was it right there. Now it's coming up to test it. Needs to stay underneath it.
Logan, how long have you been trading? I've been trading for about 15 months. A little over a year.
All right. Testing it, breaking back above. Let's see if this closes above. This has got 5 seconds left. It's funny how at the last second these come down to test it. All right, broke the level. Broke the level. There we go again. Round 3. Boom, boom. Another one. Another one. Another one. Let's go. Let's go. I did it again. Oops, I did it again. Oops. Round 2. Right there. Round 2. Bada bing, bada boom. Oh, God. Hey, there it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Freaking 20 points on MLSA. All right. I'm good now. I'm done. Oh, man. What a freaking day. Woo. Oh.
I'm about to go long here on gold.
Yeah, baby.
Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Not yet.
Let's go.
Yeah.
All right. Now it pulled right back up.
Not yet.
Now is it going to come back down or is it going to reclaim? Nope, there goes rejecting 67 one more time or not? Is it going to come back up, come back down? I took that and I am good. Wow. Now it is just messing around. Let's see. what it wants to do, breaking back down below again.
All right, I'm in it.
Is it gonna go again or not? No, yes, no, yes, no. It's fighting it, it's fighting it, it's fighting it, it's fighting it, it's fighting it. Ooh, it's getting jerky. The Dom's going crazy up here, guys. The Dom's going crazy. Anything could happen here, so be careful. I am not gonna triple dip on this. I'm just watching it. The Dom is getting very jerky up here at the 68, 70 area. It's getting very jerky. Like it wants to try to hold it now. Or nah. No, coming back down, coming back down. The 1 minute's gonna try to close above it or below it. Closing below it. Closing below it. Again, it closed below it. Now it's testing it again, but I ain't touching this shit because I'm just watching it. Just playing around now. SPX filling a gap. Yep. See, look at that. This is why I don't trade it too many times. But it broke above. You could have scalped the break above too. But I am done playing this thing. Wow. SPX filled that gap. Now, will it come back down or will it keep going up? I don't know.
Looks like I want to jump back into this gold trade. Wicked me out. I think I'm going to jump back into it. Should I wait?
Have I been able to get a payout? No, I haven't tried to seriously get a payout from Apex yet. I haven't. I need to. I do need to. I got very close with one account, and then I YOLO'd it because I got an email saying that well, I got an email warning for something, and I can't remember what the verbiage was on it. And that pissed me off. I was like, "You're gonna warn me over like a weird thing," and I was like, "Screw you guys." But you know, that's me. That's a personal thing. So I am gonna test it again because I do need to get an Apex payout. I do, and I will. That is my mission for 2026. I have 8 other props that I do trade. I have 8 other props that I do trade though. So you know, I'm overloaded. Oh, I can't wait till Apex gets a freaking.
Oh yeah, it's not 1,200. It's
indicators up.
1,000. It is 1,000. I thought the profit target was 3,000. Because then it's 1,200 is 40%. So technically, it is 1,000 you're supposed to make.
It's holding above 67 now, so still pushing up a little bit, but it's resisting up at that with this 2-minute level at 79.80.
I would just lose a little bit real quick. I jump back into this gold trade, but it is going to have to fill this gap here.
Biter.
It's going to have to fill this gap here before it rips back up. Yeah, I would just lose a little bit. You should be good. It's not over by my 2064. Yeah, but there's still, it depends on the exact percentage. I would just bring it down like $30 if you can. Go in and out with one micro. That's what I do. I always just bring it as close as possible to the consistency.
Look at that. Look, it's like holding on to 67 now. It came down to 64, popped back up, but it is just ranging now. This is just range. We caught that little drop from the first initial 67 for 20 points. That's good. And now it's just ranging. Monster day. Monster day. Holy crap. Yo, I'm just asked what a brother gotta do to get a free funded account. One of two. Either be ready on YouTube or join us in the Discord. Make sure you adopt the MOT tag. Join us at the Max Option Trading Discord. Adopt a tag. Be in the audience.
Have you revenge traded?
I've blown my
account previously. Now I invest and I forget I've invested because long term. A little bit of a language barrier there, but yeah, of course I've revenge traded. We've all revenge traded. What made you guys start treating trading like a job instead of a push long to? I don't treat trading like a job. I don't treat trading like a job.
I don't either. I don't either.
I don't treat it like a job. I treat it as another source of income. Is trading my primary source? It pays me the most.
Yeah, trading for me was my primary source of income from October 2024 until April. Then I started coaching, and I mean, even now, I still mainly rely on it. The coaching money gets put away for my kids, so I don't touch that shit. But I lived off of nothing but payouts from October 9th of 2024 up until like the mid of April. But I never treated this like a full-time job thing. Like I only had a set schedule when I traded back then. Obviously now I do this during power hour. I have a shit ton of accounts. I'm testing, like I forward test, back test. Obviously, when we have new indicators and stuff like that we're working on, right? I tested Llama's indicator. We tested Range Breaker. We testing the new one, the sauce box one that we're eventually gonna, hint, tease. We've teased it a couple times. We
What my
all the
TP is,
stuff.
real quick. The ATR, if you can see, the ATR is pretty high. So my TP, I'm giving myself a little bit of wiggle room for both a stop loss and a TP. I'm going to shoot for around 4832, 4833, around that area. I'm going to try and look for a TP. Is what I'm going to go for.
Rough power hour for you.
So like right around here is what we're looking for is for our TP. There we go. Wait, no. What did I say? 3-2. Yeah. Around that area. 3-2-3-3.
Braveheart, if you join, like, go to the Instagram for the MOT indicator stuff. We give away monthlies for the indicators all the freaking time. Either be in here, go like and follow, the Instagram for the MOT indicators, and we do giveaways in there too. So plenty of opportunities. You know us, we love to give away free shit.
Or get a job.
Juan, Logan is the master of the ATMs. Like, we have one that Owen built for us in the Quantum chat. I don't use it. I know some of Quantum Gang does, but I don't know how to build them. I don't know anything about them. Oh, ATR. What is ATR? ATR is the average true range, basically the average movement of
Candle
the
size.
candles.
Okay, average candle size.
So there's, indicator. The Trading View has an indicator for it, right? Like, I'll show what it looks like theirs, right? It's not as nice looking. Like, obviously PHP, the way PHP has the ATR at the bottom looks way better than what it looks like here, because this thing is ugly looking.
I'm going to put my
You
stop
kinda see
loss
the
under the
wave?
market structure area.
But that's what it normally
Stop
looks
loss
like.
is going to go here. TP is going to go here.
ATR is still pretty up there for 4 o'clock, dude. It's at 17. Look at this wild movement right now. This is just ranging back and forth.
Whoa. Whoa. What is that? What is that?
67 held again.
What is this volume?
Holy crap. Yeah, I just saw this right now. That 67 closed up and held, and it launched up.
NQ is ripping. That means gold's about to dump the opposite direction. What the fuck was that?
NQ holds 67. I mean, that was the point for me. That was the center point. 67 was the center point. So it was just like swinging back and forth, back and forth. If one holds one way or the other, you do see a little bit of a move.
All right, I'm out of that trade.
It looks like it kind of stalled out.
All right. I'm up $71 on the power hour today.
Hell yeah.
I went a little too heavy on that one. All right. That was, I don't know where the fuck these candles just came from. Today's been weird. Today's been very weird.
Volume out of nowhere.
Power hour's just been fucking garbage. I fucking hate cap power. It's been garbage.
Well, today I actually enjoyed it quite a bit. I mean, 100 and what was the end? I don't even know anymore. It was just 150 pointer that we caught, which was insane. And I can't believe I held it all the way down. Like, I can't believe I held that trade all the way fucking down. 150 points. In freaking insane. Javi, question. What indicator do you use? Yes, I use the Quantum Shift. That is my baby. Quantum Shift is my baby. Look at J Love. Way to go. And right.
Nice calling that long. Yeah, I mean, it did shoot up. It almost hit fuck. I just went for a very large TP, but did hit. And then this random fuck you candle came out of nowhere.
I wrote that little NQ added there, so I'm up like almost 2K for power hour, I think. I even can't remember what accounts I traded for power hour now. Just went through all of them. Went through like 3 or 4 accounts.
Let's do a giveaway. I've got.
All right.
What shit I gotta do?
Yeah, 978 on this one, 500 something or 600 on the other one. Yeah, almost 2K on power hour for me. Not bad. Not too shabby. All right, let's do the giveaway. Random number generator. Random number generator. All right. 456 what we got in here. All right, first number will be 430. Damn, all the way up top. 430. Way to go to work.
15. It's 40.
While we're doing the giveaway, let's see a little bit of profit roll call. Did anybody catch that monster short with me and some of the MOC short? Let's see a little bit of profit roll call, y'all. I am so tired right now. I can't even be like, ooh, look at you guys. Very nice job. 1,000. That's 900, 700, 1,500, 1,000. Way to go, guys. Look at you. Look at you, Joaquin. Killed it. J Love. Yeah, already know J Love. Very nice. They're almost 1250, 1220. Adam, only power hour. Look at that. Damn, dude. You did almost 6K just power hour. Let's go. Let's go, Adam. Backs 150.
Let's do another number.
Shy 800. Juan, very nice. All right, number 51. 51. Simpa 205. Mr. Hushat 1023. Was down 2.5 for the day. Power hour saved a lot of the accounts. Let's go, Lou. Look at you. That's a hell of a comeback, Lou. Closed out at 1800. One mini. Damn, gold. Call me Gold Daddy. Okay, Gold Daddy. Damn. Very nice. Very nice. Look at Lovey, 1,000. Frank, almost 18, or actually over 18. See Lobos, 250. Let's go. Giom. Ooh, nice. Nice. Almost 1,500 there. Look, there you go. You could use ChatGPT to do anything now, huh? Look, first day using Pivot Hunter. Thank you, sir. 83.33%. Big Pepe. Very big. Guys, go check out
83%
that
win rate today
PHP.
on the Pivot
That's
Hunter.
huge.
Sheesh.
Hell yeah. What time do you trade with live for students outside of Power Hour? Well, if you have Quantum Shift, I did trade earlier today. We had caught that humongous trade, and I only caught like 60 points of it, obviously, but it went down 300, almost identical setup of what we saw for Power Hour, and it dropped 300 points.
Moni, you like the Pivot Hunter? I know you just got it,
Right,
Moni.
Moni. Yeah, Moni. I saw you kill it with that. Absolutely. Good shit,
He
Moni.
loves it. Good shit. Good shit, Moni.
Very good.
Yeah, Pivot Hunter went fucking berserk. Been going berserk.
Yeah.
That's why I've actually
even
been Asia. It's been great.
Yeah, even Range Breaker had some really nice plays today. Like everything shot up. PHP called that short right with Quantum at the top too on that 300-point drop.
Yeah.
So like every freaking one of our indicators fired off beautifully, like beautifully.
You guys been seeing it.
and
Like
Quantum
I've been
almost
making
the
all of my
same.
money. I'll give you guys a little fuck. Actually, I need to go to the gym ASAP. I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna throw my phone. No, I'm gonna go and I'm gonna trade. I'm gonna trade Pivot Hunter Squad. Let's fucking trade tonight. I made fucking $20,000 like the last 3 Asia sessions. Let's do it together. Pivot Hunter Squad. I'm gonna go to the fucking gym tonight, make it quick, come back. I'm just gonna squat until I throw up, come over here. We're gonna trade Pivot Hunter Squad together, and we're gonna make a fuck ton of money. With that being said, why does nobody fucking come up? I've invited. Wow, exposed.
Yeah, I was just gonna say.
Late, dude. But
there you go.
Bobby and I were yapping. It worked out for you. Camera's on, brother. What time? I'm gonna try and get as soon as we gotta wait until splits at 6 ends, and then I'll hop on. I'm gonna try and get through my leg workout, but I got so nobody calls me fucking chicken legs. I got to make sure I squat a lot.
Not sure why my camera's not coming on.
All right, you're good, brother. Open up a sport ticket. Congratulations. You want access to any indicator free?
Hey, thanks, fellas. Take care.
All right, bye. Aniki, you got something in task? You got something going on? It's showing your stuff, whatever you're doing on the computer, or hobby, whoever's doing something. Okay, whatever. Let's do another one. Actually, you know what? Let's do YouTube. YouTube, random people. Everybody type in Javi, what was the size of your trade today? Why can't I hear Javi? Can you guys hear Javi?
My shit froze. My shit
Oh,
froze.
there you go. Hey, what was the
100
size of your trade today? What was the size of that
like
trade you took today?
160 points.
All right, 160 points. YouTube, everybody type in 160. I'm going to pick a random person. 160 for Javi's biggest trade.
Let's go.
There we go. And I'm going to pick a random person. And 3, 2, 1, stopping right here. Trap Kid Jew 1234. Trap
Why
Kid
is
Jew 1, 2, 3, 4. The Jew is spelled differently,
Trap
by the way.
Kid Jew. Oh,
The Jew is spelled differently. It's J-U.
I'm like
Trap
instantly
Kid Jew.
thinking.
Yeah.
I don't think I should say what I was thinking.
Trap Kid JU. Trap Kid JU. Congratulations. You want access to any entire week. All right. Now let's do it on Discord for third person.
All right. Oh, that's a low ass number. Number 25.
1, 2, 3,
25.
4, 5. All right. Well, we've all seen this guy. The Dick Doc.
Oh, the Dick Dog's back. It's rigged. He promised us penis enlargements. Not that I need it.
With the indicator, we can join the stream. Yes. If you have the Pivot Hunter indicator, I'm going to do a session with you guys tonight after Split 6. You have to have the indicator. I'm going to do it in that channel. Dick Doc, what's going on, brother? How you doing? Okay, he left. Dick Doc, open up a support ticket. Whatever. You open up a support ticket, you get access to any indicator free for an entire. All right. Let's do today's sponsored by Alpha, right? Yep. All right. Let's do an Alpha giveaway.
Alpha. All right. 179. 179.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Dude. Noah A, you're a Mastermind student and a student of mine, but you don't have the MOT to hag. Noah. Noah A.
Noah, what are you doing, Noah? Come on, bruh.
You're a student of mine and Max's, but you don't have the MOT tag. You got to get that, brother or girl. I'm assuming it's a brother, though. Yo,
Come on, man.
Yeah, he just says yeah. Noah, no, I'm gonna give you a little bit of time here because you're a Mastermind student.
Tag, bro.
Just add it real quick.
Someone on YouTube asked only indicator, also students. You said for PHP, right?
It's like only for PHP. It won't be for students tonight. Well,
right,
students,
so get
students
PHP
are trading tomorrow morning. Students will trade tomorrow morning. PHP,
get that
we're gonna trade tonight.
Go subscribe. Go get it, and you'll see Logie Poo.
I haven't done a
tonight.
PHP in a very long time, so I owe the Pivot Hunter user class. I'm gonna do it with them. I haven't done it in like a month, so I owe them that. Students, you guys give me like 5 days out of the week, so we'll get it again tomorrow. Noah, are you taken care of? Did you get it? You got to just click one of the, just see the tags where it says MOT. Just click it, dude. Just click it, and then you're gonna do the adding.
Trap Kid you, if you can't get verified, open up a support ticket in the Discord. All right, we'll help you out there.
Students who have the indicator can join, of course. Yes, of course. You just need to have the indicator. Anybody on the planet who has the indicator, I do the live trading in that MOT. There you go, Noah. All right, cool. Come on up.
Yeah.
Yo.
You got to get your camera on.
You guys hear me?
Yep.
Yep. Camera on.
What times do you trade with your students besides Power Hour? Usually during lunch. I'm going to probably soon start trading. I've been doing really well. So I'm going to start trading with my students for late Asia session also. So I'm going to try and do both lunch and late Asia session. I also do need to make sure I get to the gym so I don't blow my brains out or kill everyone I know. So that's a priority. Noah, how you doing, man? How's your trading going?
Not bad. I passed the pro account, I want to say last week, and I just picked up 3 evals. So I'm trying to stay away from trading the pro account as much as I can, man. It's so tempting. I want to pass the other one, so.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, take it slow. Take it slow and steady,
100%.
right? Base hits. It's what I've been doing all my accounts, and it's been stacking up. I mean, I've pulled out, I've been showing people. I've been posting it on my Instagram. I've been showing the base hits. I've been showing the withdrawals. Like, I don't fake it. I show the account numbers. I show literally everything. It's just base hits, dude. Slow and
Oh,
steady. That's all it
100%.
takes.
100%. I got scared
Yeah.
shitless trading in the morning because like trading 10 micros or 5 micros on the pro account with all those wicks.
Oh, well, that was
Holy
insane. Yeah,
shit.
today was insane.
Yeah.
Today was insane.
Yeah, you
Yeah,
don't do
the
that.
volatility, the ATR, like the average candle was fucking 30, 40
Yeah.
points. Like today was an exception. It was insane even during power hour. Like today was
Yeah.
not a normal day. Trump was talking all day, right?
I
Like, so
summoned
I
my
get it.
inner Javi and I was trading like 2 micros at a time.
There you go.
So I completely
Well, you-
dropped it
Yeah,
down.
there you
So-
go. That was the wise move to do today. Absolutely the
Yep,
wisest move
yep.
to do. So you
Yep.
did good.
Dope.
Well, hey man, congratulations. You also just won an Alpha Zero Plan account. Congratulations, man.
Cool. Cool. Appreciate it, boys.
All right, brother. Open up a sport check.
Congratulations,
Talk soon.
man.
Take it easy.
All right. All right. Interesting power hour. I was green and then not green. Banger. So Javi obviously held it down for the power hour today. He did really well. I am green though. Javi though, fucking 160-point trade, dude. Congratulations. That's awesome. That's all I've got. Again, Pivot Hunter Squad. I'm going to trade with you guys tonight after Splits with 6. I'm going to rush my gym session. Students, if you don't have the Pivot Hunter, we're still going to trade tomorrow morning together. That's all I've got. We're right now are 12-0 on our streak right now, and we've given away $3,000. Javi, what do you got?
Yeah, guys. Today was insane. Hopefully some of that breakdown, everyone understood what I was looking at each trade. Quantum Gang, we've gone over this in today's session, the previous session, so I'm hoping it's starting to really stick and sear into your head how simple the setups are. Other than that, y'all, if you want to learn anything else about PHP or Quantum, make sure you guys check out our YouTube channels. Logan's for PHP, mine for Quantum. Make sure you guys follow us on our socials, TikTok, X, Instagram. And please like and subscribe here on Max's YouTube, the Max Options Trading YouTube. Tickle our bells, do all that fun stuff that we like, And guys, please, like tip the staff. They're doing all this work here for free. So make sure you guys go and buy them lunch, buy them a cup of coffee, buy them a drink, whatever it is. We love y'all. Enjoy the rest of your day. We'll see ya tomorrow.
All right, guys.
Financial
Solid
messages,
day.
guys.
See you guys tomorrow.